In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a copy of your data in Discord, step by step. If you've ever wanted to download your account information, message history, or personal data for backup, privacy, or record-keeping purposes, Discord makes it possible, and the process is actually very straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through everything from start to finish so you can request your data quickly and confidently. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy-to-follow tech guides just like this. Now, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Discord. You can do this either through the desktop app or by heading to discord.com and logging into your account through your web browser. The steps are very similar on both versions, so you can follow along no matter which one you're using. Once you're logged in, make sure you're on the main Discord screen, where you can see your servers and direct messages. Next, look down to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture and username. Right beside your name, there's a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to open your account settings. This section is where you can control everything related to your profile, security, privacy, and overall Discord experience. After clicking User Settings, a new panel will open with a menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down through the menu until you find the section labeled Data and Privacy. Once you see Data and Privacy, click on it. This area is specifically designed to give you more transparency and control over how your data is handled inside Discord. It includes privacy options, data usage details, and most importantly, the option to request a copy of your data. Now that you're inside the Data and Privacy section, scroll down until you find the option that says Request Your Data. This is the feature that allows you to generate a downloadable file containing the information associated with your Discord account. When you click on Request Your Data, Discord will begin the process of preparing your data package. In some cases, you may need to confirm your password or complete a security verification step to make sure it's really you making the request. Just follow any additional prompts that appear on your screen. Once your request has been submitted, Discord will start compiling your information. This can include account details, profile information, message history, and other data linked to your account. The process is not instant, so you won't receive the file immediately. Instead, Discord will send you an email once your data is ready to download. Depending on how much data is associated with your account, this may take some time, so keep an eye on your inbox. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder just in case the email doesn't appear in your main inbox. When you receive the email from Discord, open it and follow the instructions provided. There will typically be a download link that allows you to securely download your data file. Click the link and save the file to a secure location on your computer. From there, you can review the contents for personal records, backups, or simply to better understand what information is tied to your account. And that's it. That's how you get a copy of your data in Discord. As you can see, the process only takes a few clicks, and it gives you greater transparency and control over your personal information. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Discord tips, privacy tutorials, and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.